Okay, so we are going to learn graphic design. We have a lot of softwares that we use in designing, so we are going to pick a little, maybe 3 of them, and then we try. So we are going to start with CorelDraw. Now, what is a graphic design? A graphic design is an act of or skill of combining text and pictures in advertisement, magazine, or books. It's not just text and pictures. We have shapes, lines, all these things. You can combine them to make something, to create something. So let's get into it. First of all, we are going to learn about CorelDraw. Yes, CorelDraw is one of the softwares that we use in designing. So this is X7, CorelDraw X7. We have the latest version is now currently 2025, but it depends on your machine. Graphic design softwares are very huge and they need powerful graphic processing card or a higher graphic card for you to work on. Now from here, yes, we have the template which you can choose from. We have the new documents, so we are going to start from here. We are going to learn everything from scratch. So we click on new, and then your page setup will come. Now this is your page setup. So here you are going to type the name that you are going to save with it. So let's say I type there's graphics, let's say tutorials. Yeah, and then you come here to select your paper size. Normally by default it is letter, but depending on what you are designing on, then you select the size. Sometimes you might not get a size of where maybe the design that you are doing, where you want to paste or something, so you have to get a tape measure to measure where you want, and then you punch in the figures over here, the width and then the height based on your measurements. Then you can select the number of pages that you want, select whether you are doing it for just electronics like the social media, or you are doing it to print. If you are printing, then you are going to select the CMYK color mode, or if you are doing it for just social media, you select the RGB. The resolution, you change it. Normally we leave it by default, all those things you leave it the resolution as this, but when your measurement is very big, sometimes you need to reduce, not sometimes you need to reduce the resolution. Other than that, your system will start running slow, because higher works, you need to reduce the resolution. Okay, so now from here I'll just click on OK. Then we are now going to start designing something. Now this is the working area. Whatever design that I'm doing should be in this. Yes. So let's learn how to draw some shapes. This is the rectangular shape, so when I click on it, I can draw a rectangle like this. This is the ellipse too. If I want to draw ellipse, there's ellipse. But if you want to draw a perfect shape, like a perfect square, you hold the control key, then you click and drag to get a perfect square. The rectangle is used to draw a perfect square. Alright, so that is how you draw perfect shapes. We also have the polygon tools over here. If you want to draw a polygon, you click, you drag to draw a perfect polygon. Hold the control key, then you get a perfect. Based on the number of lines that you want for the polygon, you come to this side, you click to select. You see, as I'm selecting, it is changing. Yeah, so that is how we draw all shapes. Now anytime you finish drawing a shape, make sure you click on the first tool, that is the pick tool. You click on it before you try to do anything with your shape. So for now, let's delete it. Now let's just create a simple design. So we are going to use the rectangle to draw something simple. Now, so from here I need a copy of this, the same thing. So there are several ways in doing it. First one, you can just click anywhere, but I want it to move to this edge, so I'll click on the edge over here. Click. When you're moving it and you want all of them to move on the same line, you hold the shift key, then you click and drag. After that, as your hand is on the left key, you add the right key, then off the mouse of the keyboard. Now I've gotten another shape. To get another one, duplicate, so Control D, and I'll get these shapes. So from here I can choose the color that I want for them. So red, yellow, and then green. If you want, for instance, I don't want this green, what I will do is that I'll click and hold the green. I'll get different green colors. Click the one that I prefer, then we are good to go. Now any color that you select to will appear here, so you don't have to be looking for them again. Realize that still this is here, but the one that I select is displayed here, so I can use it from here. And then I need my star, so I'll go to the polygon tool, click and hold and select the star, and then hold the control key to draw a perfect star. It's too big, so I have to reduce it. Hold the shift key to reduce, and then I'll place it. Now I want to place it at the center of this yellow, so click, make sure that you see center or not over here, center. So you click on the center, then you move it so you see center here, then you leave it, then I'll click the black. Voila, this is our shape. Now let's try another one. Now this time around we are going to use the square. So I create a square, hold the shift key, drag it to somewhere here like this, right click. As your hand is still on the left key, you add a right to it, Control D, then I can now color my shapes like this. Now this time around we are going to add text to it. So here our text, let's increase it a little. Yeah, I think this is okay. Let me make it bold, and then let me place it at the center here, give it a white color. Yeah, so let me move this one to the center of this, right click, double click, and change it. It's still the B. Yeah, so click and then drag it here, right click, then double click, clean it, change it to C. So this is our shapes. There are a lot of shapes that we can design using this. Now let me move this one up, and then let's create another one. Alright, so let me just color it. Now another shape here, Let me change the color. Let me add my text. So let me increase it. So let me place it somewhere here. Alright, I think the downside, I need outline of black, or let's say the red. So let me give this white, and then let me get another good. So let me send that one to the center of this one. Then I think I need red for this. Yes, so this is a simple shape that we can create. Alright, so this is graphic design for you.